I haven't really made one of these videos before where I have screen recording and voice on. I've just been doing routes, like 777, Boeing 747s, 787, and those aircraft, yeah. Oh, great. Anyways, since tornadoes is a hot topic on my FYP right now, and tornado vehicles and aircraft, and just basically tornadoes. Let's try to make one tornado interceptor, and I think it's because of tornado warning funk. So I think that's why it's a very hot topic for these people right now. Okay, anyways, let's get started. So I'm in freeform. Let's see what I can do. There. I'm gonna see what. I mean, we need aerodynamics, right? Don't we? Yeah, I think we do, yeah. I mean, it's a tornado. The winds is gonna just push everywhere. So erase this part, this itsy bitsy part. There. Okay. This is the first hand drawn line XMR, but this is like no Apple hints. Maybe I do need Apple hints. Yeah, there. Now we need the catcher for the frontal side. So let's draw that real quick. Okay. What? How did my phone get darker already? Okay. Yep. Here. Maybe that. Yeah, let me try. There. Now let's draw the needle inside of it. I mean, the toothpick basically. And I want to basically also make this wheel be basically attached to like 3 different access points. If one fails, that can detach. Okay. Let's see what we're going with. So we make that. Now make this one. That also has this point. And it's clear already. The third one is also gonna be actually near a toothpick as well. So let's draw this pit, this box. And draw the toothpick. Also need to basically have stabbing points of arrows. There. So that can stick onto the ground there. that's basically it for the front part. I'm just gonna erase that real quick. Oh, I mean Dominator too. That's kind of flat. Anyways, let's make this like a Hubble, because that's gonna be our, basically, let's just color that in. It's basically gonna be our cockpit. And I don't know, like, what, like, do they even have windows? Cause, not sure. There, we rounded that shape a bit smoothly. It's the eraser. Okay, let's erase those strokes. Basically fill up that gap. I should have made this instead of doing that flight and not even uploading it for like 10 minutes. Okay. Let's just do this black line. And now we need to make the outline of the door. What happened to that point of axis? Anyways, let's add this door. And it's always important to not make it very long, but still have equipment. Like, let's make it onboard. Let's actually make it onboard station tower. Basically air traffic control. Let's make this. Erase this. There, we made our door. And since these things are so useful, I'm gonna hide a key area for the keys. Let's actually maybe down here, keyboard. Like to unlock that. Right. There. So far, I think it looks good. I mean, I'm not a tornado chaser guy for you to not. I mean, I've been in a tornado before. I mean, what's wrong with a Toyota Civic? Just in a tornado, like, huh? That doesn't make sense. No, redo that stroke. Undo. There. Now let's make oval. There. Let's use this tool to fill it in. Okay, let's go back. Actually, make this arrow red. Make this red. Why don't just erase this instead of draw over it and make a new one? There, red. Ugh. Keep erasing it. Okay, let's fix this. And more windows. And let's actually make this onboard station. So first we need a word one there. Okay, I think this is gonna be a cliffhanger. Okay, see you guys in the next video.